OMEGA Aqua Terra Worldtimer. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this unboxing video, we will show you the smallest details of this product with a crystal clear picture and 4K resolution. Thank you for your interest. In our channel you will find unboxing videos and other interesting products. Subscribe now. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Aqua Terra Worldtimer boasts a polished stainless steel case, exuding a sense of understated luxury and durability. The 43mm diameter ensures a commanding presence on the wrist, while the integration of a structured blue rubber strap adds a modern touch to its classic silhouette. The solid polished links seamlessly connect the case to the strap, creating a harmonious blend of style and functionality. The dial of the Aqua Terra Worldtimer is a masterpiece of design, featuring a sun-brushed blue finish with vertical teak stripes that evoke the spirit of maritime exploration and adventure. Surrounding the dial is a circle of global destinations, meticulously printed in red, silvery, and blue, highlighting the watch's Worldtimer functionality and celebrating the diversity of cultures and time zones around the globe. But the true highlight of the dial lies at its center, a mesmerizing vision of Earth meticulously crafted on a Grade 5 titanium plate. Through a process of laser ablation, the blue ocean and relief of the continents are brought to life, creating a stunning representation of our planet's natural beauty. The 24-hour glass ring, with its light blue and dark blue segments, further enhances the visual appeal of the dial, providing a seamless indication of daytime and nighttime across different time zones. Powering the Aqua Terra Worldtimer is the Master Chronometer Caliber 8938, a self-winding movement equipped with a coaxial escapement and certified as a master chronometer by Metas. With its resistance to magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss and a power reserve of 60 hours, this movement ensures unparalleled accuracy and reliability even in the most challenging conditions. Protected by a domed scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective treatment on both sides, the watch offers exceptional durability and clarity, ensuring optimal visibility in any lighting conditions. With a water resistance of 15 bar, 150 meters/500 feet, it is ready to accompany you on any adventure, from urban explorations to underwater excursions. In summary, the OMEGA Aqua Terra Worldtimer is more than just a timepiece. It's a testament to OMEGA's legacy of excellence and innovation. From its captivating design to its advanced features, Every aspect of this watch reflects the brand's commitment to pushing the boundaries of horological craftsmanship. Elevate your wristwear collection with the Aqua Terra Worldtimer and embark on a journey of timeless style and precision engineering that knows no bounds. Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you again.